So, you were watching any video or a movie, then you see a epic transition. Then you wonder suddenly that why your does not look like that. So, today in this video, I'm going to make two epic transitions in DaVinci Resolve, which will make your edits better and clean. With that, I will teach you some tips and tricks that I use, and let's dive in. Before we start making our transitions, I'm going to tell you the two thumb rules of transition. First, keep the transitions organic. You have to keep the transitions natural. Don't add very fancy transitions like glitch, box twist, and etc. Second, don't overdo the transitions. There are editors which overdo them, like they put everything they know, every transition they have in the app, every effect they have in the app. So you do not have to overdo them, just add when in use. So to start, we are going to open DaVinci Resolve, make a new project, name it anything. After it, upload your files. So after adding your files, first we are going So after adding your files, we are going to make a first transition, which is motion blur. I'm going to add this forest image. And this star image, galaxy image. So we are going to add a adjustment clip. So go in effects and add a directional blur. So I want this much length. And add a camera shake. Camera shake. With the camera shake, we are going to add some animations. Now go in the effects of adjustment clip, increase the blur strength and decrease the motion scale and increase the speed scale, and add a motion blur, something like this. So now it should look something like this. So this was a motion blur transition. Now I'm going to make my second transition, which will be something like this. I'm going to push through this frame, okay, and go to a different frame. From here you can take any clip of a TV or a rectangular piece or circle piece or a window. So I will right click on it and change its speed something to like this, and press and select it in the edit page and press Command R. So now you should see something like this. Now click on this and add a speed point and grab this to here to increase the speed. It should look something like this. So this speed is perfect. While the speed ramp is going on, I will smooth it out. So select this read time speed and go on this icon. Select this clip, go on read time speed. So this should have something like this cubic. So select this area and here go and ease in out. Now grab this hole to here, and there is a trick to press shift and here, so it will go all the way there. Now it should be smoothed out enough. So this is good. Now where the speed ramp spot starts, I will add a keyframe and zoom here total. Something like this. Now add a second image, which is this. Place it over here. I want to start it here and decrease its opacity. And add a keyframe and till here drag it whole to the end to 100% and zoom it little. So it should look something like this. And I want this clip, this image to be also animated. It will go inside it till here. So it's looking something like this. Now I will tell you a trick. Now add another clips, something like this. I want this one. Okay, I'm giving you an example. So I will recreate that motion blur transition. I will meet you after recreating it. So now I have created this effect again, the motion blur one. Now you can save it as a preset. For that, go in the Fusion page and drag this to the master. Now you can add it anywhere. If you want to add another place, so just drag this thing and your preset is being made. It's something like this. So our result is looking something like this. So if you liked my video, share the videos with others and hit the like and subscribe. And till then, bye bye.